Hello students, can you see me live? Hi Neha. Hello Neha. Can you see me live? Am I live already? Okay, so today we are going to study a very important constructions. So I'll teach you three types of tangents. So let's wait for some more students to join in and then we can start. So let's wait for more students right now. Neha is there already. So Neha, go get your compass, go get your scale, sharpened pencils, one short pencil in the compass and another one for drawing. Do get your sharpened pencils, your erasers, your scales, everything. So let me wait for one more minute for all students to join in and then we will start. Okay, till then, till other students join in, let me first tell you what is a tangent. Do you know, Neha, what is a tangent? So if there is a circle like this, okay, with center O, then what is a tangent? A tangent is a line which passes through exactly one point, which touches the circle exactly at one point. So this is a line, say line L, which touches this at point P. Then this line P is called a tangent to the circle with center O. There is one more property that you should know, that when I join the center to this point, then my OP is the radius, then my radius is always perpendicular to the tangent. This property also we will use, okay, when we are drawing tangents. So let me see who all are there right now. So only Neha is there. Neha, please write in the comment box if you are ready with your compass, your scale, your pencil, eraser, sharpener, everything. Then we can go ahead. Hello, Ujjwala. Hi, Pita. So, Ujjwala, I just explained what is a tangent. So, if there is a circle with center O, then tangent is that line which touches the circle only at one point, that is point P. And if I draw the radius, if I join O and P, then my radius is always perpendicular to the tangent. Now, all of you get ready with your geometry box, your pencil, scale, sharpeners, everything so that we can go ahead with the construction. So in our course, there are three types, okay? Three types of construction. First one is using the center of the circle. So first construction is using center of the circle. Okay, so when we know the center of the circle, then how to construct a tangent. Okay? Are you guys there? Okay, so let's start. So I draw any circle, say with center C. Okay, I take the required measurement in the question paper. You will be given that draw a circle of say 5 centimeter and draw a tangent to it. So any that particular measure you take, okay, keep this at center C. You know how to draw a circle, right? Just a second, my chalk broke. Okay. So keeping this at C, I will just draw a circle. Is the circle visible to you guys? Is the circle visible to you? Okay, so I've drawn a circle with center C. Okay, so that's my circle. Let me draw it darker. Now you have to draw a tangent by using this center. Okay, so suppose I will draw this at point P. So take this point P anywhere on the circle. You can take anywhere on the circle. Then what you have to do is you have to simply join this C and P first. Okay, join this C and P and draw the ray. Okay, so extend it till here. So extend this. Okay, so this is a ray. Is this clear to you? Now what you have to do, I already told you that when there is a circle and there is a tangent, then from the center, this is 90 degree, right? So at this point, I have to draw a 90 degree line. Now how to do that? Watch here very carefully. Ujjwala are there with me. So I will change this. Okay, I'll make it a small. I'll take a small measure here. Take this pointer at P. Okay, keep the pointer at P. Cut this line, cut this ray at two different points. Okay, or else what you can do, you can draw the full arc like this. Okay, instead of drawing the arc, you can cut it at two different points. It will look neat. Okay, so this is how you make two different points. Now you can change this. You can extend this, or you can, make it same. Anything. So I have extended it so that my arcs are a little far. Now keeping the pointer at this point, draw an arc here. Draw an arc here. At the same point, draw an arc below. Draw an arc below. Are you able to see? Now taking the same measurement, don't change the measurement. Keep this at this point. Cut the previous arc. Cut these previous arcs. Did you get it? Ujjwala, Neha, did you get it? Now I have made, so now I will join this point, your point P and this point. Okay? Simply join all these 3 points. And you get your required tangent. Make arrows on both the sides and name this. Okay, suppose I have named this as L. So what I can say, in the end you have to write L is the required tangent. Like this you will write L is the required tangent. So is it clear? Neha, Ujjwala, is this clear? Is this very clear to you? Please write in the comment section. Neha, Ujjwala, write in the comment section if this is clear to you guys. Are you also making it with me? So if you are making it with me, draw a circle of radius 5 cm. Take any point P on it and draw a tangent to that point P through the center. Okay. Hello Krishna. Is there a lag? But were you able to understand the construction? Were you able to understand the construction? Krishna, Neha. Hi Krishna, Neha, Ujjwala, are you able to understand? I will draw this one once again for you guys. Okay, I am drawing the same once again for you guys. So watch it very carefully. Okay. Watch it very, very carefully. This is the first construction of tangents. So in our question, there are 3 types. First is drawing a tangent to a circle by using the center of the circle. We have to use the center of the circle. So we have been given a circle with center C, maybe 5 cm, 10 cm. They'll tell you in the question. Okay. So I will just arbitrarily make a circle. Keeping my pointer at C, okay, just draw a circle. So I have drawn a circle like this. My pointer went bad. Okay, so this is the circle. This is the center C. Now take any point P. Earlier I have taken it here. Now let me take it here. Okay, let me take it here. You can take this anywhere on the circle. Okay, and then simply make a ray. Okay, so I will join this CP and make a ray. I will extend it like this. Is this clear to you guys? This is how I make it. This is point P, where I wish to draw a tangent. Is this clear? Is this clear? Okay. Then actually I have to draw a perpendicular, because what is the fact that we are using here? If this is the circle with center C, and if this is a line which is passing through this point P, then the radius and the tangent should be at 90 degrees to each other. This property we already know. So now at P you have to draw a perpendicular. Now how to draw that? Watch here very carefully. Take your compass, okay, keeping the pointer at P, cut your ray at two different points. Okay, at two opposite points. Is this clear? Now you can keep it same or you can extend it. But now you have to keep it again same. Now keeping this at this point. Okay, draw an arc here. Draw another arc on the other side. Okay, draw another arc on the other side. Now keeping the same measurement, keeping the pointer here, cut the previous arc. Is it clear? Now simply join this point, the point P and this point of intersection. Okay. Correct? Draw an arrow on both the sides because tangent is the line. Okay. You can name it or you can name it A and B as well, anything. So if you want to name this point as A and this point as B, you can say line segment AB is a tangent to this circle with center C, or line L is the required tangent to the circle with center C. Is it clear to you guys? Is it clear, Neha, Krishna, Ujjwala? Are you guys making it along with me? Write in the comment section so that I know you have understood this very well. Have you guys understood this well? Okay, Neha, got it well, Ucha? Very good. Very nice. Now, can we go ahead with the next type? Can we go ahead with the next type? Okay. So, next type of construction is without using the center of the circle. So, you are drawing tangent. Second type, without using center. Without using the center. Now suppose for this you have to understand a theorem, okay, which is there in your circle known as tangent secant angle theorem. Okay, what is the name of the theorem? Tangent to secant, tangent secant angle theorem. Now what is that theorem? Do you guys know that theorem? Please write in the comment section. Do you guys know this theorem? Neha, Krishna, Ujjwala. Do you guys know this tangent secant angle theorem? See, if there is a circle like this, okay, if there is a circle and at this point maybe there is this tangent, okay. Are you guys seeing it? Okay. Now the center of the circle is not known to us. Okay, this is say point P and this PQ is a chord. Okay. Now this chord and this tangent makes this angle. This is the angle between the tangent and the chord. Can you see this? Okay. Now this angle is equal to any angle which this chord PQ subtends on the circle. So if I take any point here, say R. Okay. So this, if I join this R and Q, then this PQ is making this angle at the circle. This chord PQ is making this angle, right? Similarly, I can take any other point as well. Okay. If I take this point and join the ends to PQ, then these two angles are also same. Okay. So you can take that point anywhere on the circle. That's what I have meant to say. Okay. So now, my dear students, this angle that this chord is making on the circle is equal to this angle that the chord is making with the tangent. That is tangent secant angle theorem. Okay, this is tangent. Okay, and this is the see, this is secant, right? What is the secant? See, what is the secant? Any line, okay, which touches the circle at two different points. So basically, this one is chord and this full line is called secant. So if I take this as a secant, then the secant and the tangent forms this angle, and this chord forms this angle at the circle. So this angle and this angle are equal. We will use this property to draw our circle without the center of the circle. Have you got this very clearly? Please write in the comment section if you have understood the concept. Have you understood the concept? Please write in the comment section. Ujjwala, where are you? You are not replying. If you don't understand the concept, you will not understand the construction. Have you understood the concept? So Neha is saying yes. Understood? Krishna, have you understood? Please write in the comment section, Krishna. Have you understood this? Ujjwala, you also write. Have you understood this? Okay, are you understanding? So let's go ahead now. So suppose I have been given this circle. Okay, this circle. This circle is given to you, and you don't have to use the center of the circle. Okay? You don't have to use the center of the circle, and you have to draw a tangent. Let me draw a clean circle for you. Okay, so that's the circle. We don't have the center. Okay, so now select any point where you want to draw the tangent. Suppose I want to draw the tangent here at this point C. Okay, so from C you have to first draw any. See, I'll take it a little here so that you are able to see. Okay, this is the point C where I want to draw the tangent. So from C I will draw any chord. Okay, first let me draw any chord. Okay, this is say B. Okay, now on the circle I will take any point A. Anywhere you can take, here, anywhere. Okay, and then join simply these points. So make a angle. Have you guys got it? So CAB, this angle should be equal to the angle that I draw here. So the angle between this secant and the tangent, that angle should be equal to this angle. Is this clear? So first you have drawn that circle. Okay. Then you have drawn a chord CB. The end point of this chord should make a triangle like this. So this is the angle on the circle. Is that clear? Clear, my dear students? Okay. Now let's make this angle and this angle equal. So take your compass, keeping your pointer at A. Okay. Draw an arc here. With the same measure, keep this at C, keep the pointer at C and draw an arc. Okay. Now you have to measure this. How much is this? So keep your pointer here and you change the size and see how much it is coming. Okay. So this is the measure. Now you take this measure, keeping the pointer at this point. Okay, not at C. Keeping the pointer at this point where it is touching the secant or the chord. Okay, then you cut the previous arc. So it is cutting here. Is that clear? Are you guys able to understand? It's cutting here. So now which two points I have to join? I have to join this point C and this point to get a tangent. C. I will join this point and this point. And I got a tangent which is touching the circle only at point C. Are you getting it? So L. This is the line. And what I will write in the exam after the construction like this. Line L is the required tangent. And then, my dear students, you will also write why it is the required tangent since angle CAB is equal to angle BC. You will name this as maybe D. E. Okay, BCD. And you will also write the name of the theorem. Okay, what is the name of the theorem? It is secant tangent angle theorem. I hope this is clear to you guys now. Neha, Krishna, you guys are there? Please write in the comment section if you are understanding everything very well. Write in the comment section, show me some love so that I understand that you guys are understanding. Are you guys getting it? Is this concept very clear to you now? Is the concept clear? Please write in the comment section, please. Neha, Krishna, please write in the comment section whether this is clear, Pacha. So Neha has written yes. Ujjwala and Krishna are not replying, so I don't know. Okay. Okay. Now, shall I draw this once again for you, taking another center so that it is clear to you? I will make one more without using the center of the circle and using this same here. Okay? Let's draw it quickly, taking another point. Okay? So first let me draw a circle. Okay. So if this is the circle whose center is not known to us, now I wish to draw a tangent here at this C. Okay. So I have to draw a chord. Correct. So first I will draw a chord here. Say CB here. Okay, this is the chord. I can take A anywhere. So I am taking A here. Okay. Simply join this BA and AC. Clear to you? Now this angle should be equal to this angle. Clear? So take your compass, keeping the pointer at A, draw an arc like this. Taking the same measurement, keeping this pointer at C, draw the angle. Okay? Now you have to measure this. Just keep it here and change the bit and measure this. So this here. Here. So now keeping the same measurement, keeping the pointer here, I will cut this. Can you see where did I cut it? Okay. Now simply you have to join these two. You have to join this and see. So this is the required tangent which is touching the circle at point C. So this L is the required tangent because BAC is equal to this angle BC, say X and Y, if this is X and Y. Then BAC is equal to BCX. These two angles are equal. That is why this L is the required tangent. Is it clear? Is it clear, Neha? Okay. So now let's go on to the third one. What is the third type of tangent that is asked in the exam? But before going ahead with the third example, let me tell you about the plus subscription. Let me tell you about the plus subscription which is offered by Unacademy. Okay, that's an amazing plus course. The plus courses are so amazing, my dear students. So what you guys should do is join our special free classes. Okay, so download the Unacademy app right now on your mobile phone. Download the app right now to attend such amazing lectures directly one-on-one with the teachers. Okay, so in that use my code SJMAAM. Shagufta Jaipury ma'am. Okay, and if you use this code, you'll be able to unlock special free classes. So in the description of this video, my links of the special classes are already given. So you can click on it and directly go into my special classes, and you can start enjoying the free classes. The special classes are so amazing. You can interact one-on-one with the teacher. Then we have a lot of poll questions. We give a lot of certificates there. So you get to compete with your friends, interact with other friends, and interact with the teacher at the same time. And in YouTube, there is a lag, okay, in between you talking and me replying. But there is no lag. You get to interact with the teacher, and plus, of course, if you go for plus subscriptions, okay, it's at nominal fees. But there you get to chat with, you get to call the teacher if you have any doubts. You can ask as many doubts. There are so many doubt solving sessions and amazing other features are there. So I would request you all to first go for the free special classes using my code. Okay, unlock free special classes and learn from the best educators of Unacademy. Okay. So let me go ahead, my dear children. Let's talk about the third construction. So what is the third type of construction? Okay, to construct tangent to a circle from a point outside the circle. Okay, so our third type of construction is from a point outside the circle. Now you will be given a circle. Okay, so if there is a circle and there is a point outside it, say P. How can you draw a tangent to this circle from a point outside the circle? Let's see that. So first for that we will draw a circle. This is our circle. I'll make it darker for you guys. Okay, that is the circle with center O. Okay. Now I have any point P outside this circle. Neha, are you getting it? Are you understanding it? Hello, Misha. Hello, Misbah. Sorry, Misbah. So, Misbah, we are drawing the third type of construction. Construction of a tangent from a point outside the circle. Okay? So, see here, there is this circle. You will be asked in the examination, draw a circle of, say, radius 5 centimeter and draw a tangent from a point P outside. Okay? So, they can also give you the measurement of this. This P can be some centimeters away from the center. So they can give you the measurement and then accordingly you draw this P. Then join OP. Now you have to draw a tangent from point P. Now first step is join OP. Okay. Then what you have to do is, okay, you have to bisect. You have to draw a perpendicular bisect of the line segment OP. So how much you will open this? More than half of it. Okay, more than half of the line segment you will open it. Keep the pointer here and then draw an arc like this. Sorry, my measurement. Draw an arc like this. Draw with the same point, draw an arc below the line as well. Now, don't change the measurement. Keep the pointer at P. Okay, and cut the previous arc. So these 2 points I get. Join these 2 points. Okay. Join these 2 points to the dotted line. This is not a tangent by distance. We are yet to draw the tangent. Wait. Okay. So we join this. Now if this point is the median, we can say this is the perpendicular bisector. So this is the middle point. Now taking this as the point, okay, taking this M as the center and MO or MP as the radius, okay, you draw a circle. Just hold on. Taking this M as the center and extend this till here, and then you draw a circle. Okay. If you don't want to draw the complete circle, that's also okay. But at least draw this half circle such that you get these points of intersection. Okay. Now you have got these 2 points. This is point X and this is point Y. You simply join this with P. Okay. So you are joining PX and PY. Okay. So your PX is a tangent and PY is also a tangent. So you have drawn a tangent PX, which is from the external point P. You have also drawn one more tangent PY, which is also from an external point P. And you should know that the length of PX is equal to PY. Is that clear? Is this clear? I will draw it once more to explain this to you very clearly. Hello Somesh, hello Yash. I didn't see you guys, I was busy drawing. Somesh, if you take a point inside it, how can you draw a tangent? Okay, see, I will tell you Somesh. I will draw this once again, but let me answer the query of Somesh. So Somesh is saying if there is a circle like this and there is a point inside it. So from inside, wherever you draw a line, this will cut the circle in 2 different points. So you cannot draw a tangent to a circle from a point inside it. Because if you draw a line from this point inside the circle, it will be a secant and not a tangent. Is that clear? So this was our last method. So Yash, Somesh, who else joined later? Guys, this was our third construction of a tangent from a point outside the circle. Let me draw it once again and then we will revise all the 3. So what all 3 we did today? Today we drew tangent to a circle by using a point, by using the center of the circle. Second, we draw, see, what was the first one? We drew a tangent to the circle by using this point. Second one, we did not know what is the center. And then we drew a tangent. And third one was, what was the third one? There is a circle with center C. From any external point P, you have to draw a tangent. So from any external point P, if you draw tangents like this, then this is not a tangent. Okay. Always remember that this point and this ray and this segment is always equal. Okay. So let me draw the third one again for you, and then we will draw all the 3 as a revision. Okay. Now watch here very carefully. Yash, Somesh, Neha, watch this third one again. I am drawing it once more. So this is the circle. So that's our circle. Let me draw it neatly for you. What's the center? Just a second. So this was the center. Now take any point P. Now let me take it this time a little up. Okay, this is the point P. Now from this point P, you have to draw 2 tangents to the circle. What was the first step? Joining C and P was the first step. Okay, joining the center and this external point was the first step. Okay, so this is the line. Mine is not a very neat one because I am using the board. Okay, you have to join the line CP. Now what you have to do? You have to make the bisector of this line segment CP. Okay, you have to make the bisector of the line segment CP. Now make sure that when you make a bisector, an arc like this below and one arc above. Now keeping the same measurement, keeping the point at P, I will cut the previous arc. Okay, can you see? Now you join these two. Simply join this one and this one. Okay, after joining this, you will get this point, which is, say, M. This is CM is equal to MP and they are perpendicular to each other. Now what do you do, guys? Now, taking M is the center of this, extend this and bring it till C. Okay, such that CM is the radius. Okay, now this and this will be same. Is it not? Now, if you draw a circle, or if you don't want to draw the full circle, what you can do is just simply cut the circle. Okay, cut the previous circle. Like this. Here and here. Okay. So even if you don't want to draw this, it's okay. You make an arc cut here and here. Say this is X and this is Y. Okay. Then you simply join PX and PY. You can measure in your notebook that they will be equal. Okay, your PX and PY will always be equal. You already know this theorem, right? That tangents to the circle from the external point are equal. So PX and PY will be equal always. Extend this line and draw an arrow here. Okay? Is this clear to you? Is the third one clear to you guys? Yes, write in the comment section. Sumesh, Neha, Yash, Ujjwala, write in the comment section if this is clear to you guys. Is this clear to you? Please write in the comment section if this is clear to you. Then we can go ahead with revising all the three again. Is this clear to you guys? Please write in the comment section. And do join me today itself for the special classes on Unacademy, which is free of cost. Okay. Today I have a class at 6:30 for class 10. So if you want to join my special classes, what you can do is just go in the description box. There is a link to my special classes. You just click on that link. Use my code SJ, that is Shagufta Jaipury ma'am. SJ ma'am. You can unlock the free classes. Okay. And today we are doing the quadratic equations MCQs. So we will conduct polls. So if you have already prepared quadratic equations very well, do come at 6:30. I have a lot of certificates as well to distribute. So if you are among the top 10 participants, you get a certificate from Unacademy. So it is very exciting. You get to participate. You get to compete with your friends, and you can check your knowledge and talk to the teacher if there is any doubt. You can ask the questions, and it could be a very interesting session. So do join me guys today at 6:30 on Unacademy. Download the app right now. Use my code. Okay. So Neha, I'll see you there today, and yes, you too. Okay. Now shall I revise all the three constructions once again? Are you guys ready for the revision? Yes, are you guys ready? Yash, Sumesh, Neha, are you guys ready? Shall I explain all the three constructions again? Please write in the comment section. Are you understanding everything well? Are you liking it? So let me, today I will not introduce myself to you guys. So before taking the revision, let me introduce myself to you all. So my name is Shagufta Jaipury. I am an educator on Unacademy, and I teach maths for SSC class 9 and 10. I am a YouTuber. I am an author. Okay, so I write books. I am an author. I am a YouTuber. I am an educator. I am an entrepreneur. I have done my masters in nuclear and radiochemistry from Bhabha Atomic Research Center and Mumbai University. And I have done my diploma in industrial analytical chemistry. I have done my B.Ed, and I have taught in the best schools and institutes all over Maharashtra. I have even corrected board papers, so I keep on giving you amazing tips of how to present a paper very perfectly. Then I have presented my papers, my research papers in some of the national and international journals. I also presented my papers in some of the most amazing national and international conferences throughout the world. Also, I have received certain awards like Best Educator Award 2019 and 31 Women Achievers Awards and so on. So I'm also a coach and a mentor, so I'll always guide you guys. So be there on Unacademy platform, unlock the free classes, using my code SJMAAN. That is Shagufta Jaipury ma'am. Okay. So I will see you both today at 6:30. Okay. Yes, Sumesh, Neha. Hello, Prachi. So let's revise again all the three methods. So what was the first method? Drawing of tangents using the center of the circle. Using the center of circle. Okay. So let's draw quickly. What is the first step? Drawing a circle. Okay. And in this, what will we use? Which property we will use? That if there is a circle in center C, and if there is a tangent, say this is the tangent L, then this point of contact, if I join with the center, then this is radius, is it not? If I say this is B, then CB is the radius. Radius is always perpendicular to the tangent. That is, it is 90 degree to the tangent. This property we will use in drawing our first construction. So let's go ahead quickly. Hi Prachi, how are you today? Good to see you here. So Prachi, we have already done all the three constructions and now I am revising all the three constructions. So watch here very carefully, Prachi. Okay, let's first quickly draw a circle. The chalk is playing some tricks today. Wait, let me draw a proper circle. So these two should be at the same height. So my chalk is not of the same height. Let me take it. Okay. Now let's draw. See, now it's drawn. So I've drawn a circle. This was its center. Okay, center C. Now I will take any point on the circle. Say first. I take a point P here. I can take anywhere. So let me take here. This I already explained. Let me take a straight point P. And from this point P, I wish to draw a tangent. So first what you have to do, what is the first step? Just draw a ray. Okay, joining C and P. It can be a straight line, a slanting line, whatever. So if you take a P here, it will be a slanting line. Okay. So this is center C, and here from here I wish to draw a tangent. Now what do I need to do? I need to make a 90 degree here. So take your compass, take a small measurement, keeping the pointer at P. Either draw the full arc like this, or simply cut this ray at two different points. Okay, just like this. Cut at two different points. I always make a full arc. Okay, after drawing this, what you need to do is taking this as a center and this as a center, I have to draw a perpendicular bisector. So now I can stretch it a little more, keeping the point here. Okay, I will draw an arc on the top of the line and keeping this on the same point, draw an arc below. Now, keeping the same measurement, keeping the pointer at this point, cut the previous arc, cut the previous arc. This is the most easiest one. Now, join this point, point P and this point. Okay, say this is X and this is Y. So, join X, P and Y. So, that is our required tangent. Maybe I name it as L. So line L is my required tangent and line L is perpendicular to CP. Okay, this also you write and then write that line L is the required tangent. Is it clear to you guys? Yes, write in the comment section if it is clear. Prachi, Yash, Neha, Sumesh, all of you write in the comment section if this is clear. Please write in the comment section if this first construction is clear. When we drew the tangent to the circle by using the center of the circle. Is this clear? Write in the comment section. Okay, so Neha is saying clear. Others are not replying at all. Am I teaching to Neha only? Okay, let me go ahead. Prachi, you are there? Somesh, Yash, please reply because Neha was already there with me since the very beginning. She knew all the three constructions. Please reply in the comment section. So we are doing a second construction again. Second construction was without using the center. Okay, what was it? Without using the center. Now in this we made use of a theorem. Okay, what was the theorem? The theorem was secant tangent angle theorem. Secant tangent angle theorem. Okay, now what is that theorem? Let me tell you. If there is a circle, my dear students, what is the secant? A line like this is the secant. So it makes a chord, say CB. If CB is a chord, let me take a chord. Let me not draw so many lines. So at this point C, if I draw a tangent, then the angle that this chord or the secant makes with the tangent is equal to any angle that the CB chord subtends at the surface. So if I take any point A here, okay, and I join the end points to C and B, then this CB has subtended this angle at the surface. So this angle is equal to which angle? That the angle that this chord CB is making with the tangent. So we will make use of this property. Now this A you can take anywhere, my dear children. It can be here, it can be here, anywhere. But always remember that the end 2 points should be CB. Okay? So you can take any angle. Now let me make this for you. Secant and tangent angle theorem is clear to you? At least the theorem is clear to you? Yes? Is the theorem clear to you guys? Please reply. There is a lot of lag and I am not able to get the chat. Okay, Neha, very good. Thank you for replying. So now let's draw a circle. Again, quickly. So I am drawing a circle. I hope, Neha, you are drawing along with me. Are you drawing along with me? Because this keeps on changing here. So that's my circle here. Now I don't know the center. Okay, I will rub this. I don't know the center. I can take this C anywhere. Okay, and I can make a chord CB here. Okay, let me make a chord here CB. Okay. Now you can take anywhere point A. Okay, I am taking it here. You can take anywhere point A and simply join this A to C and B. Okay, let's do that. I join this here and then I join this here. Clear to you guys? Now this angle should be equal to this angle that it makes with the tangent. Okay. So let's do it. For this, you have to make equal angles. How do you make equal angles? Extend this pointer at A. Okay, draw an arc. Don't change the measure. With the same measure, keeping this pointer at C, draw an arc. Okay, done. Now you have to measure these two endpoints. Okay, so take this here and reduce this. You measure this. Okay, so this is the angle now. Now, keeping this here, keeping your pointer here, you cut your arc. So arc is cutting here. Are you getting it? Getting it, Neha? Sumesh, Prachi, Yash, are you getting it, guys? So now I join this point and point C. Let me join this point and point C and extend it on both the sides. Okay. So this is my required tangent. This L is my required tangent. I can name any point here, say D. So you can write that angle BAC is equal to angle BCD. So since BAC is equal to BCD, therefore we can say that line L is the tangent. Okay. Is this clear? Clear? The second construction is also very clear to you guys. Thank you, Neha. Thank you, dear. So you have understood this very well, Neha. Thank you. So now I think I've got one more student in my class every time. So do join me today at 6:30 on Unacademy. Okay, Neha? Thank you, beta, for that compliment. Now let's go on to the third type of triangle or third type of tangent. Shall we go ahead quickly with that one as well? So before going ahead, Neha, let me talk to you for 2 minutes. So in our plus courses, what do we offer in our plus courses and what do we offer in our free courses? Let me tell you about that as well. Okay. So when you join me today at 6:30 p.m. on Unacademy platform, so I have a lot of free sessions. So every day from Monday to Friday, okay, you will get to learn from me at 6:30 p.m. Okay, completely free of cost. There's no cost involved in it. You can join the polls, you can enjoy with me and learn mathematics like never before. Okay, so do join me at 6:30 p.m. There's a link in the description. Click on that and join me. Otherwise, what you can do is just download the Unacademy app. Choose your goal. Choose that you are in SSC class 9 or class 10 or what subjects you want to study or in which medium the instruction should be. So I instruct in English. So I talk in English, I teach in English. Okay, but if you choose even English and choose me and go ahead with it, you get to learn from all the educators that are there on the platform. Okay, free of cost. Just use my code SJMAM. Okay, and we have certain amazing sessions that are completely free of cost. You can study, continue studying there. Okay, so let's go ahead, Neha, and let's learn our third type. So what is that? Constructing a tangent from a point outside the circle. If there is a circle, we have to draw the tangent to that circle from outside point. Okay, let me quickly draw this once again for you so that your concepts are crystal clear. Okay, let's go ahead. So this is the center of the circle. See, keeping your pointer here, draw a circle. So that's my circle. Let me draw a clear circle for you. Now take any point outside. So initially I had taken here, then I had taken here. Let me take this time from below. Okay, let me take a center P here. Now what you have to do, you have to join these two. Let me quickly do that. Join this. Then taking these 2 points, I have to draw a perpendicular bisector. So you have to open it more than half. Keeping the center at C, draw an arc like this. Draw another arc like this. Keeping the same measurement, keep the pointer at P, cut the previous arc and cut the previous arc. Okay. So here we got 2 points of intersection. Join these 2 points with a dotted line because this is not the required tangent. Okay. Join this with a dotted line. Why we are drawing? Just to get this point M. Okay. You can name it anything. Now this CM and MP are equal. So keeping our pointer here. Okay. And taking this equal measurement. That is, see, you have to extend it in here. So that when I draw a complete circle, it will pass through both the points. Okay. Now, keeping the pointer at M, just cut this. Keeping the pointer at M, just cut this. You can check by drawing the complete circle if it is passing through this center C and M. Okay, so it is passing. You just have to make these 2 cuts. Is that clear? Now, these 2 cuts, you can name it at X and Y, or A or B, anything you can name it. Then simply join this X and P, Y and P. Okay? Now, come on, let's join this together. Join this together. Where is it? Yeah, you have to extend it a bit and draw the arrow. Use a scale in doing this. My line went somewhere here. So your Px is equal to Py, and you can say here Px and Py are the required tangents. Are the required tangents. Is it clear to you? Yes? Please write in the comment section. Please write in the comment section if this is clear, completely crystal clear to you guys. So Neha and all the others will be watching it later as a recording. For you guys, let me tell you that we have drawn today tangents to a circle by using 3 methods. Okay, all the 3 we covered in a single lecture. So whenever you want to revise your construction of tangents, you have a video to come back to, right? So just come back to the video, watch it carefully and draw along with me. I hope you have understood the concept of tangents. I hope you have also understood the reason behind this, that why we are doing like this. Okay, so everything I hope is clear to you. And I hope now you can draw each and every question from your textbook. So do one thing, open your textbook, try to do all the questions from the textbook of constructing the tangents. Okay, construct all the questions. If you have any queries, you can talk to me in the group, in the discussion, whenever we have a discussion or doubt solving sessions in Unacademy. Okay, so download the app right now. Download the app right now. Select your classes, select your medium of instruction, use my code to unlock the free classes, and you can join free classes of all the amazing educators that are there on Unacademy platform. Okay, one more thing before just finishing the lecture, I would like to say one more thing to you all who are there watching the video. Okay, class 10 mathematics is extremely simple and easy if you practice with the correct mindset, if you make the perfect timetable. So there's a very good video that I have on the Unacademy platform. Okay, just download the app, search Shagufta Jaipury, or search how to get 100 marks or how to get full marks in any subject. So in that video I have covered all the points, and especially of maths, how to avoid the mistakes, how to make a perfect timetable, everything. We have followed 1730 technique, a scientific technique of forming a timetable. Okay, I have also explained various tricks that you can use. Okay, I have also explained the scientific methods of remembering each and everything that you read. So go through that video very carefully. Also, that video is also uploaded on YouTube on the same channel. So go have a look at that video and then start your preparation for your mathematics class 10 with a very clear mindset. Okay, very stabilized mindset. Because right now, because of the pandemic, the mindset of the students is not clear. Okay, there are a lot of uncertainties around us, so we don't make you students, okay, for that mindset, because there are so many uncertainties around. Okay, you have to win over all these uncertainties, my dear kids. You have to win over all this, because after 10 years no one is going to bother that okay, there was a pandemic, that is why you did not perform well. No, you have to perform well. Okay, there's no other option for you guys. And this year board exams are not going to get cancelled. So prepare, practice, and you will easily get 100 marks. You will easily get 100% if you follow each and everything that I explain you. Join me on Unacademy. Keep on following me on YouTube as well, and join me at Plus subscription Plus courses, where I will take detailed study of your maths, and I promise you full marks for mathematics class 10 if you follow everything that I say. Okay, I hope this lecture was very useful to you. Hello Ayush, thank you Ayush. I did not notice when you joined the class. So that was my tip for today. Go and watch that particular video of mine. It is available on YouTube. It is also available on Unacademy platform. And when you come on Unacademy platform, we'll be like a family. Okay, we'll be like a team working together to get that 100% for maths. So are you guys ready? Are you guys excited to learn from me each and every day? So do join me on Unacademy and keep the learning always on. Let's crack it on Unacademy. See you guys. See you today at 6:30 p.m. on Unacademy. Bye bye and keep the learning on. Bye Ayush. Bye Neha.